Hello, Homeboy's family. For updates, your Homeboy just had a haircut and he looks even more cute than before, doesn't he? Tell me in the comment section what you feel about this look. And moving ahead, this video is going to be a bit more realistic as compared to before, and this time we are going to discuss some doable outfit for guys. Although they don't really like me, they don't give a shit about what Homeboy is doing, and also my audience is very less guy oriented, but still I'm gonna just put out some doable outfits for them, and also which is like my personal favorite. To all the people who actually know me, they know how much I love this. So it's about shorts. Why the fuck did I do that? I have got no idea, but it's about shorts, and I'm here to just shed some light upon how cute this short fashion is and why it needs to be more trendy. So you wanna start? Let's start.
They feeling good, like I should.
Outfit number 1. This t-shirt and shorts are like my personal favorite. The color and the fit, everything is just so perfect about this outfit. Neon is a bold fashion, and so is your homeboy. Yeah. Especially in the times when no color has its own word, neon, it's mandatory to own one. So if you don't have any neon, buy one. And by the way, shout out to my cute neon socks. And just so you know, Billie Eilish did not bring neon into fashion. I did. Yeah, I did. It can be worn casually, and it wouldn't be a bad choice for the people who actually like clubbing. Oh my god, now it's time to dip yourself into a bowl of mush. It's that cute. This outfit makes me feel even more younger than 16. Yeah, I am 16. You got doubts about that? I know I look even more younger than that. White printed tee with these striped shorts is just unbearably cute. I said cute, sorry. Outfit number 3. Black t-shirt with my favorite and maybe the shortest shorts. Over the last few years, the shorters have even got more shorter. And what do I have to hide? Now these sexy legs. These are actually the same waist, by the way. But do I care? Do I care? And yeah, this guy also wears stockings. What's next? It's time to shed light on basics. Basics is the new fashion. Don't you know that? So here's my basic look. Blue, very basic H&M t-shirt found everywhere with my brown fit shorts. You can wear this anywhere, like anywhere. It's that flexible. But for now, let's call it my rusty look. Sabzi dena bhaiya? Next is very commonly found t-shirt with my favorite green cargo shorts. Cargos are never out of fashion. But let's swing the other way. Why not to wear green with green? People usually don't recommend that, but I like it this way. By the way, have you noticed my cute collection of socks? Thank you. Next is my very cute color tee reflecting my personality, my charm, touchwood, my life. Paired with, oh my god, what the fuck? Here I'm back again with shorts this time. Let's go. So here it is paired with basic blue denim shorts. These are my personal favorite. All my other shorts are jealous of him. Don't tell her. I also wore my cute colored socks with leather sandals. Take twist. It's fun. Trust me. Okay, bye. I love you.